Okay, so here I am ready to start my Hasegawa Egg Plane group build. It does have to be a Hasegawa kit and an egg plane. So got this one here that was very kindly donated to me by Dario at Dario's Model Builds, the Japanese Zero. It's molded in the dark green. Not much to it. Two halves there in the cowl and nose piece. Propeller is a canopy, separate plastic and the wings. Little decal sheet. Those sometimes can be a little tricky to apply. And instructions. Not much to it here. Just put the two halves together. Just got to figure out what order to put it together in and have it painted. So a bit of masking or trying to hand paint maybe the canopy. It looks a little trickier. So I'll begin that next. I'll begin the painting on the egg plane group build. I've got the parts here in Vallejo light gray primer. I've got the nose part here, the cowl I guess it is, in black Stynylrez primer, and the engine as well. So I'm going to be adding the paint color next. I'm going to do a dove gray on the bottom of the plane here, and evergreen craft paint on the top part. This I'll just leave black and clear it. I'm doing brick red on the propeller, and I'll just hand paint the engine here silver and gunmetal. Well, the build is progressing pretty quickly. I've got the paint on it. I've got the dove gray on the bottom and the Americana craft paint evergreen on the top part, taking the masking off. I've just done flat black on the cowling here and coat of future over everything. And I just hand painted the landing gear black with a little bit of silver on there. Got the propeller in brick red and coated in future as well. This doesn't come with a pilot figure, but I had one, I forget which one it was now, but I had a kit I did previously a few years ago, and it had two pilots in it, and one had this like a female anime face. Painted it up and had it ready. It was from the F-22, it says on the bottom. So what I might do is if I cut the peg off and shave off her shoulders, I can probably fit her in the cockpit. I'll have to double check to make sure that the canopy will close over it. I've just hand painted the markings on the lines on the canopy, just one coat very quickly. What I did was I just took one of these little micro brushes and dipped it in the paint and just ran it across the lines there. The lines are a little bit raised, so just kind of run it in between the two lines. So I need one or two more coats after that. Pop them on and pretty much done. Well, I'm back again. I've got the decals on. At the last part of the video there, I guess I forgot to mention them. I thought I still had them to do. So that took a little bit of time, but they went on quite well. A little finicky. These two are one decal. I had to kind of hang, kind of keep lifting and placing it until I got it in the right place. And got everything on. Looks pretty good now. Just have to put the canopy on. I've got a couple of coats of paint on that. Got the prop done with the decals on that as well. Some little yellow decals on it. So I just have to glue those two in place, and it's about finished. The little figure, the head that I had didn't fit inside the cockpit with the canopy on, so I won't be using that after all. So these are the leftover decals. I guess they go on a different version of the plane. I guess you can do it a second version of it. So I won't be using those. It came with some gauges. It's a pretty large gauge cluster. Oops. And it wouldn't fit on the dash of the plane there. So what I did is I just took one of those little round micro pens there, micro brushes, and put a few dabs of black circles, and then I took a smaller one and just sort of dabbed it with white just to make some like white scratches on it to simulate the markings on the gauges. So came out okay. And here we are back with the finished product, the Hasegawa Egg Plane for 2025, the Japanese Zero Fighter. It came out really nice. The decals went on pretty well, and I really like the look of it. I want to again thank Dario from Dario's Model Builds for donating the kit, and for the guys, Dan at Munchkin Modeling Man and Tommy at Colonel Reb Scale Models, for hosting the group build again this year. These are a lot of fun. They look good. I don't really do the real plane model kits. These are more fun, I think, to look at and to build and to paint. So I enjoy these egg plane group builds each year, although they're getting harder to find and more expensive. So thanks for following along, and we'll see you next time.